Ubema na little. And I'm say too quick, too soon. Upo on your menina, the way ya usa will be repeat, una wakani now on your first date. That's a mistake. You don't have to do that. Too quick, too soon. What can we be now? Some of the men, they are not to know some of the secrets are a one. If you are no man, you maybe are cause of a brabo man. It's only the person who is willing, who is serious, who has gone through the series with you, which means say relationship where you move from one step to another, baby, you dream. Yeah, be worry. So some of the things you have to let the man know, and you'll be our friend. No, when who I catch us up one day, one date, then. Two of it. And today I want us to start by one mistake that single ladies normally make. That's laying a foundation of passivity. Sometimes you think maybe your opinion doesn't come in. You pretend as if everything is okay for you. Only thing is the man's opinion. As soon as the man says something, you abide with it. You go with it, that's all. Please, your opinions comes in as a what do we call it? As a single lady courting to be married. The man that you are going out with, that man, both of you are supposed to be in agreement. As the Bible says, the two cannot move until you agreed. So there should be an agreement. Both of you, your opinions comes in. Whatever you feel, you have to let the man know that this is what my opinions, this is what I want, this is what I don't want. But sometimes we just lay that foundation of passivity. We accept the man's opinion as lady. Then you think yours doesn't come in. Everything is okay for you. When you live in that relationship and you get married to that man, always what it does is that man may think you don't have any needs, or maybe everything is okay for you. Whatever he says, that's fine now. It doesn't help. As a lady, you have to set what do we call it? You have to set a standard for yourself and keep it. One mistake the single ladies normally do is they think when you set a standard for yourself, people may think maybe you are high or something, so it will drive people away. No, setting standard for yourself doesn't drive people away from you. It doesn't drive serious people away from you. Because when you set a standard, those that are serious they will know that you know what you want. This is what you've set as your standard, and you keep it. It tells them that you really know what you want. You don't just take anything. You don't just accept anything. Because in relationship, one thing is a negotiation. So when you want to negotiate something with somebody, like a business with somebody, there's one thing you have to have it at the back of your mind, that every negotiation that you want to negotiate with somebody, there's something that we call walk away. You have to have it at the back of your mind that if that business deal, it doesn't go in your favor, you think that maybe at the end of the business you run lost or something, you have to walk away. That's how relationships are. So as you are in a relationship, if you see that as a lady, the way things are going, it's not what you want. Always, the man always think about himself. Your opinion doesn't come in. You see that, you are two people all together. You don't collect. It's a clear sign that you don't have a future with that man. So have it at the back of your mind that you walk away if things are not working for you. But sometimes that's one mistake the ladies normally do. They are afraid to walk away. They are too scared to walk away. They think that if you walk away, this relationship that I've suffered that much, why should I walk away? It's better you walk away now than to suffer for the rest of your life. It's better you walk away now. Because when you walk away, you don't know, you might get the better ones. No matter how anxious you are, that you want that relationship so badly, if things are not going well with you, that you know within you that this man, I don't have a future with this man. Sometimes men, they don't hide what they feel. They show it whether with words or with actions. If you are going out with a man and the man doesn't want to marry you, it's clear. They will show, you will see. You will know that this man, what he wants from me is only sex. You can see from his actions, you can see. But maybe your standard is you want to keep yourself until you get married. That's your standard. You have to keep it. If you see that, no, this man doesn't want to, understand me, he doesn't want to go with me, then you have to walk away. You don't have to accept anything, all because you want that relationship so badly. Men, if they are not with you, if they think maybe you are not good for them to marry you, sometimes I said it show clearly. When they are working with you, they don't even feel proud to introduce you. When you meet their family members as a lady, the man, he doesn't want to introduce you to people. It's a red flag. It's a red sign that this man, you don't have a future with him. Sometimes you could see that whatever this man is doing, he doesn't involve you. This man doesn't involve you in anything. You have to know that this man, you don't have a future with him. On long-term plans, you don't come in. On found crank come. Said you have to know that you don't have a future with this person. You have to walk away. It's better you walk away now than to, stay in that relationship and get married to that man. Always, what it does is, that man will always make sure, his needs will be met, not your needs. Always he will be seeking for his needs to be met, not you. So my sister, walking away is allowed. When you are in a relationship that is not going in your favor, you know that this man is not for you. Everything is clear. All that he wants is just to sleep with you and leave you. Walk away. As a lady, walk away and get a better future for your life. Because the decision you take today will determine who you become tomorrow. So you don't have to compromise because you want that relationship so badly. Whatever he says, you are just at the mercy of that man. Whatever he says is final. You have to be straightforward. Let the man know your intentions, your expectation in that relationship. That's why in our first episode, I discussed that we talked something about you have to define relationship. Some people, maybe the man think you are just a friend to him. He's not in any relationship with you. You have to know it. If it's just a relationship, just a friendship and it's not relationship, then you have to know your limits. How you do things, how you go about things. You just don't, wait until you see that this red sign is showing. Men, they don't hide their feelings. They don't hide it. They show it clearly. So make your, the person who have a relationship with him, let the man know, say, this is what I want. I don't want this, I don't want that. And you see, says a bear man or power, now or live to your standard. You don't have to say, me set a standard that a bear man action and one other. No, it doesn't happen that way. As a lady, you have to be straightforward. Know what you want and stick to it. And know you're very, very important. Very, very important. There's something, this walk away. Let me tell you, a relationship is a negotiation. When you are negotiating a business with somebody and you see, as I said, walk away. Because when you apply for a job, now you interview. Now interview maybe because of your qualification, you qualify for the job. Now you can start work maybe tomorrow. Then you said, okay, you just, that's all, you go. Because they say start tomorrow, you go. It tells them that you are not serious. You are not serious. You don't value your life. You have to ask how much are they going to pay you for that job before you start. It tells them that you are serious, you know what you want, you value your life. So let them know. If a man comes your way, let the man know that this is what I want. This is how I want my relationship to be. If you like, fine. I don't see why discussing marriage with, a guy you are going out become, maybe you are ashamed or something. Some people, they say, oh, me them is really ashamed to tell him that this is what may stand when I'm a pay. But you can feel bold and ask for premarital sex. Some ladies, they can feel bold and ask for. So why are you afraid? Why are you scared to tell the man that this is what I want? I'm 27 years or 29 years and I want to get married. I'm a single. I want to get married. I don't want to date for long. I just want to date maybe 1 or 2 years. You have to sit and discuss with the man that this is what I want. I don't want to date for long. If the man is ready, fine. If he's not ready, you walk away. I know some relationships that this lady has been in the relationship for 10 years. What's not sad in plan waiting 10 years. I only baby you have to make things clear to the man. Say, me, I want to date for only 2 years. Ube to me are fine. And that one, you have to sit and talk about it. You have to sit and agree on that. What per nice atmosphere be? What per nice environment be? Imagine my ice cream back be a moody no. Then you sit and talk. And one advice I want to advise my ladies is sometimes the way we talk to, it look threatened. You don't have to start today and say, tomorrow we need to talk. It look threatening. No. Who make it atmosphere fine, environment, everything is okay. Then you say, my dear, I want us to talk. It look, perfect. Then you bring your own opinions. What you expect in that relationship. We were 29 years. I don't want to date for long. Are you ready? How long do you want us to date? And one thing I want to advise is, when you go for this, maybe a good environment, you want to talk about these things. As a lady, don't be the first person to talk. Just throw the question to the man that, what are your expectations in this relationship? When are you taking this relationship to the next level? What do you want us to, when do you want us to get married? Just throw the question to the man. Let him talk first. Then you also chip yours in. Don't start the talking. Let the man talk first. Let the man start the talking. Then you chip yours in. So that a bit flow well. Who or not your all pair expectations are, or what that relationship it helps you. Now, you can also chip in yours. Then if we are dating for 2 years, you want us to give ourselves for 2 years. Then within these 2 years, and then the 2 years, you know how to plan your things. 2 years, I'm going to introduce you to my parents. You also introduce me to your parents. We start the list. We go for the list. We start buying things. That's what you are supposed to sit and plan. And yes, say you just live at the mercy of that man who be trying to say, when are we getting married? And now this relationship, when are you taking it to the next level? Or see who the in. Then you'll be in that relationship for 10 years, 5 years, then you are still in. What at all is that man looking for in a woman that you don't have? That you have to sit in for 10 years, 5 years. It's a mistake that some ladies do. Make your things clear. Let the man know that this is what I want. This is my expectation in this relationship. This is my opinions. If you can't, stick by. If you can't, then as a lady, you walk away. You don't have to stay in and suffer. You can walk away. It's allowed. It's better you walk away now than to get married and say you are going to divorce. No, that's not what God wants. You can't get married and get divorced. No. So please, walking away is allowed. Ushena the business now will negotiate and go in your favor and say walk away. Be ready to walk away. Ebebo be brave. Money be brave. No, you sure say you say you walk away. We yes another ben a mesano be mafufa kwa starting you. Da ben a mesano be mafufa kwa starting you. No, you have to set a timeline. A mama said this is how far we are going. 2 years we will get married. Then you may clear. Ubie hunia oye. And no bois be brave. A bois essing say. Ube wadrin say. Time on one pen on one warrior. So many years, then you will still be with that man. Which means a ben and your ma and koye and my new. As I saw walking away. Now, Musena, we see a show on your maso afa. A bem will be brave. A bem may be a honoma, one any honoma, or no own warrior, or no so on can't show. na abe ti se konongo kaya na wodi nechi onswa omo bi nso nswa, then you be there wasting your time. Now wasting your time. Wow. Yen hwese na ye be ye nneoma bi se na be boa ya. I mean, or be maybe and take advantage of you. You have to be confident. You have to be bold and straightforward. You have to be bold, confident, and straightforward. And no be wow. And ya feel now, friend say, ye kwakotena maybe say me no dim komo then why you too emotional? Your mistake back where you too emotional. No, starting na wusu. Are you begging the man to marry you? You are not begging the man to marry you. So you don't have to cry. You have to be straightforward. And I mean, can you say na me pen? Fine. Obey to me. One obey wo on to me and on say, we are home so now you be. No, you know what you want. As a lady, you have to know what you want. So if you're not in your pair, you say, wait, dear, Debbie, and yet me pay. And yet me pay. And now, told there been one mistake a man yen so no. Sometimes you just see somebody for the first time. Who first date too quick, too soon. Then you pour everything out to the man. You pour everything to the man. From A to Z, you pour everything to the man. And yes, sir, some level of relationship, maybe I'll come on your menu now, 10 for the first stage now. I mean, onyan do, sir, into yes, it puts him off. So obey a gradual, you give him a little, allow him to digest. Ubeman a little, and I'm afraid too quick, too soon. Poor new menina, the way ya usa will be repeat, now what can you now on your first date? That's a mistake. You don't have to do that. Too quick, too soon. What can we be able to now? Some of the men, they are not to know some of the secrets are a one. If you are no man, I mean, you maybe are cause of a bravo man. It's only the person who is willing, I mean, who is serious, who has gone through the series with you, which means a relationship where you move from one step to another, baby, you dream, yeah, be worry. So some of the things you have to let the man know, and you'll be our friend. No, well, I mean, when who catch us up one day, one date, then you pour all your heart to that man. It's too quick, it's too soon. Too quick, too soon, and boy, what country must say me na treno? And yes, sir, and what if it be when you are on the highway, if it be speed kills, speed, who can it be dry? It kills. Send a who pour your money be brain, it can kill the love, it can kill the relationship. Don't pour the things too much. See a break, do it gradual. Woman, be a make sure say what you have given him, he has digested it. Now when we say, I mean, he has qualified for the next stage before you give another thing. Man, no one can explore so that he will unveil you. Don't unveil yourself too much to him. While we be natural. Yes, sir. Sometimes it puts him off. On your first date, know your limits. And when I'm a can't say business will be invited for a first date. So when you car, for taxi and I be in a venue. Don't let that man pick you from your house. First date, and my money who baby I would say it's a mistake. What about if things doesn't work? Now I actually they will be bold dying. The first date, who call now crack car, not so person see where. Fine, he can drop you at a certain junction. Then you walk home. You don't have to let the man know everything about you. Maybe beer, you just open everything. It's too quick, it's too soon. Umane kakra, no digest it. Then you give another one, or qualify for this stage, then you give another one. And no ebeboa, when you go on high speed, it kills. High speed kills. A big relationship, and 10 so. Don't do that. My name qualify for the first stage before you open up the second page. Let him qualify. And yes, he will be tired of you. He will get fed up with you. Very soon, I have fed up. And what? Precious things are not easy accessible. You are precious. Men be money too easy, man. Precious things are not easy accessible. It's very difficult to get. So please, I'm not saying you should play, hard to get, but As a lady, know your limits. Every stage in that relationship, know how the length you will go. Baby, I will be quite good. Don't just open up baby now the amano. Some share a structure there. If anything, Yankopon and Casoye. In the olden days, no, you were baby a friend, no, holies of holies. You were baby a friend, no, court. When your first stage in your court, the court, everybody can go there and worship. Everybody, that's the court. Everybody can go there and worship. And your second stage, where you inner court. Inner court. Now inner court, it's only the priest and the inner court. Now priest, or inner court one, and you'll be an etimico. It's only the priest and the kohonum. Then the third chamber is the holies of holies. That's what I'm talking about. Holies of holies. And it's only the chosen ones. The high priest and they call the holies of holies. Into your life, no baby, it's a holies of holies. It's not everybody that has to access that area. Holies of holies. A honor is only those who are sanctified, only those who has been chosen. Those are the people who can go to the holies of holies. It's when you're in the relationship, behave like God. When you want to appear in the presence of God, you then at the olden days you won't want to say go. First, your first court will be able to make what now. No one quite the obey, no one walk about umpire, no one. The inner court, the second chambers, a home may see the priest in a pet and a coho. No, it's we have some people as they are selected. Oh, sure, Museno, Musio, man. I mean, or you two who say, or you serious, those serious ones, or when they call the second chamber, consistency, every time, who say no, he's, or you'll be qualified. Those are the people you open the inner for them. And you'll be keke. Then when you go to the holies of holies, and one day they say the high priest, first, if the high priest is going to the holies of holies, they will tie a robe in your waist. Now you're the adoma as also. What is a high priest in the knock perform or go yankuma, the woman obeying na that's why and God kills him. Obewu no wua. Because of Adoma son we need to also. So the people around the who say or he's alive because Adoma also. The moment Adoma be jai also for some hours no who say no nyame because one perform me there so any one sacrifice no one ye and say nyame kumuna. Then they will pull the rope and when you be an call. So in your life, some people they are not supposed to know certain things about you. It's just a relationship that you are in with the person. The level that you are is too early for that person to know everything about you. And yes, sir, I'm why. So keep that secret as a holies of holies. And man, the only one man now, or yet the chosen one now. If you don't say no, I'm convinced within my spirit that this man is for me. This man, I have a life with him. This man, I can go with him. I mean, you're compatible. We can get married. And no, now who said you may be one man. Then some of and you may be then you open up to that man. You don't just get up. Now I open up. I'm a baby. We need too quick, too soon. We say it can kill the relationship. And what? It's as a lady, know your limits. Know when you say what, and know when you obey. And sorry, sir, keke. Oh, sorry, yana, obia, keke, oba, waka, we wish you would sing in a channel. If any panopra are full. Oh, yo, I knew many people on because onyan door on far share na come say me do catch them na a good abem because you know many people on a big good abem but any pan do ye now we no I mean what do that level now who catch them now he can manage it who catch them now will be how to handle it but okay can in 10 trainer putting it off yes sir you kill that relationship. And boying intimacy send a mekano and ye bibia and I will become and ye bibia and I will become and until your bar you have to be straightforward. know what you want. Know what you want from that relationship. Say relationship no wo hwe na say nye relationship eya e dia aware kwan so the person just want to have a normal friendship with you make money who say if it's a normal friendship with me then I'm free to date any man obi o ho no ma hu na adwen aso one wo ho aso one uni ho na wote ne ho na wasi wo kwan nyina ayesa na wa man engage you obi foforo person ba nipa ni tumi ma me why just a normal friendship. You don't have to do that. Be straightforward. Let the man knows. Say what kind of friendship are a woman? Is it? The friendship we are taking to the next level. Are we going to get married? Or another person say, "Madam Foneme." Who friend here chatting those? Normal ones, and they are fine. Then you are free to date any man that comes your way. You are free. But one man yet clear. Now, okay, what do you know? Much share with him. You don't know the intentions. I do only mean na me crop me na obe worry me na. Me so wet man who 10 years. No one need to 5 years. No you. No unko worry wo. Na what you. Na what's in ho. And then I will share. These are the mistakes I am. Me say setting a standard no. It doesn't mean say we are proud and now you are too high. Me say when you set a standard, a bema will say yes, you know what you want. You are a lady who knows what you want. Into a bema so if you are serious that person can also raise to the occasion. And yes, I'll bet you with you because say this are your standard. Me say on you ready to go extra mile with you, no you're lazy. If he cannot wait for you, then he's a lazy. He doesn't qualify to be your husband. Mistakes in the this time around, ye straightforward. Ye who say we and ye mean pay wo pay. Relationship in no send a medical cano, the walk away is allowed. We share nothing a business now negotiating and ye mount ube running lost me pouch walk away. Because if you don't walk away now what's cinema? What about the high trimmer? Women now will come and suffer. Sa be man would himself with the young. Send your back be open or to me you opebia, he can mishandle you. Or bit you or yen your man you cry, he doesn't feel anything wrong with it. Who say what they say you go for anything. So we be your mouth. Money who say no. Your no is your no. It's not everything that you just accept. If you are no, if it's not good, and yet, men, it's not now. We say, let me join at the pen and make us start it for. The pen and started for. Our real, and you with you. For the first one, if we never worry, no, that thing means say you will be our acceptance. No, and your life is your life we are talking about here. Your own life we are talking about here. The life of your children, the generation unborn. It's what we are talking about here. It will take a decision be now. If you don't take the right decision, a big go, sir, and it will come back and hit you. Now yes, sir, who ha, do you who has suffer, who are worrying no to say DJ Bianim. When a bear may go out, what would you say, bear may? And your man could but who should say you are free? Say when I walk out, then my invested too much, so I can't walk out. Told you why invested too much. To invest too much, so you have to would when you never show how be you are too precious. So we be in danger of life just like that, or because we power reality. Our real no bet me akom when you need to send a 1 hour really cream. So you better go and go well. Who enter married them, who say who enter and who enter well. The relationship they are very, very important. Things that were a big was our relationship in and one hour they quite you don't marry to change the person. So what your man or and my sister may still walk away. Then you what you said, then may I only cassa want to a pagan and say, oh, by worrying away jayo. Oh, jai. You be your bet was why ye, into Miss Shrew, send me near bar, Miss Shrew. So she name call ye my wife, who you pay our relationship with him. Set your goals right. Set your priorities right. Set it right. My standard name clear. Obey to me. Obey stay on to me. Fine. ebe boa ama wetumi atena relationship ni manya ware pa esin say ubeye wadwin so let me take mama fa ne saa wo fa ne saa wo da achi nkosi na ahe na obetumi afa ne saa nkosi na ahe na obetumi afa ne saa Miss Remo me nuano ma wie die me ne mo kasa mistakes bi o waye bi but ni aka ne die ye mo ho ban wo hwe na obetumi bibia fa ho ampa choye enka echi en bibia enka echi me Awurade ye wo ye wadwin say na wo pese wo ye Awurade beboa wo e ma wo so wetumi aye wetumi nya aware pa aware ne Awurade boy say ye nkɔ tena mu aware no yeni if any say log in button and log out button e wa aware ni you can log in, you can log out. As soon as you log in, you are in. Or see until death do you part. Until wo pe na betete wo no kunu ntem wo pe nti ade biara decision bia wo take in no who say your life and you can ho asem wo ha you take that decision and take it right. It's a bold decision that you have to take. Marriage is not for children, it's for grown-ups. Obi when you to me dream man ho enu nti relationship na wo mu no kwa aware mu who say the esi wo relationship ni mu bia na no na wo de kwa aware ni mu na wo hwe ne ekoso ya ebe yeye wo hwe ne ekoso ya me nua ba ekoyiye senkoye ya earlier the better eno beboa wo ama watumi anya relationship a eye enko bibia mu keke or because you want to marry by all means aware ne de obeware na ware ne yiye se ne ebe ya wo kuma abrini obenya wani gie na watumi asom Awurade se ni gie ni firi ma bi se wonya mesum nyina be ye basa obi be ware na ware ni internet na call hell. Only take your decisions and stand on them. Take right decisions. Men take decision biya keke e ye wodachi and ye kan wasem ewie die ma be shraw me ni wakasa bedre when mistakes ni bi laying a foundation of passivity. You don't lay that foundation. Na fa nkwa aware mu na say your decision doesn't count. Nya wo de wo hwehwe na no de mem de ono be kan, that's fine na me shrew enu me yes a mistake no. Walking away is allowed. Don't make that mistake. Say you want to still stay in, you can walk out. Relationship is a negotiation. Ukum ni nyi mawa. You can walk out. Don't make that mistake. Say ubetnemu. Yesuya bebre. Ewie die mesrew. Me ne wakasa se unua ba. Me ne wakasa sa wo maame. Yintie ni so na Awurade so moa yen. Because or say heaven help those who help themselves. And you many be one year rather than Bayama, Wama Wunyansa, Wama Wunindia, a radia, the Adum Yaduma, which me the Hunia will pay. It's a decision where someone I will take him on. O Christo ni ba, men of Fabe may be as in me, Nancy, so ye warrior, a bequa, sorry, there be. Oh, worry, no, the wakwa, sorry, or worry what, send or see a son or better. Two shana near Mawa. Wohwene ni nyame sum nya wo fe nya be me yiye amwa wo nyame sum a aso Kristo ni ba entem na watwon ho me nye sa mistake no ye sa mistake we bebre ni akotena ware mu na fe nyame sum a wo sum a ma wani gi ni o ma wo ye Awurade ma mu ani gi no na ye di na oni nyina na fe wuti fie ani je bia ni wo mu wa bra bona aware na wa so wo prison. No way Mishrew Minya ba Mishrew. And you many be on earlier the better. Red sign is show clear. Missy Obama and no one nam. Na se who say Bema we and nam on me nami and ya warrior quite swa. Mem omun hide you, they show it clear. Why wouldn't pass a beme or any plans he doesn't involve you. Now so still when a beme you don't have any future with that man. So please, you can walk away. Nenya memboa yen nintumi emboa yen na your relationship na ewu no yentina mu yiye as Christopher yentina mu yiye nyetumi de akwa aware pa Awurade so atumi ehirae ewie die ma be shraw me ne wakasa bedre me nim pa se wie wa yinhira isansa me akasa ma yinhira. I know you are blessed because I'm blessed myself. Me se na me di kan no me de me sis Lucy Oware me a marriage counselor. If you want somebody to talk to, wobetumi afrɛ me. Me de me number to do anytime. So wa worry na hwe na worry any no maybe inches bi wo ma. Erade adom o ma ye ho adom betumi aboa wa ma na solve. You can call me. Number betumi afrɛ me 024 992 1186 or 020 8233 464.